loves, how are you? It's a beautiful summer morning and I'm going to start with making an omelette for breakfast, and I have my oil heating up there as I cut my onion into matchsticks, and I'm going to have that come to almost a light brown, and I'm going to be beating my eggs on the side. But that beating in a cup is not ideal, so I transferred into this bigger bowl. This gives you a bigger omelette for some reason, and also because it allows you to beat your egg thoroughly, and so that's a better option. And so I'm going to pour my eggs into my almost browning onions, and then I'm going to cut my tomato the same way and spread it all over the top, and then I'm going to broil this. The tomatoes in the broil will be as if they were roasted, so they'll be soft but also still fresh and juicy. So we're going to let our omelette come to a light brown and dry up, and that once it gets to that stage, it's good enough to go. So this is how it looks, so yummy. And I'm going to be serving that immediately, and we'll serve that with some bacon and toast, and it was very, very good. So let's watch out for the next one.